Morning guys, dito tayo ngayon sa UP campus. We're going to have our morning run and welcome to our very first official vlog. It's already past 6 a.m. Gloomy yung weather for today. Hindi naman siya malakas, tsaka dudulas lang sa ulo natin tubig. Let's go! So here's my view right now here in UP Sunken Garden. Dami rin tumatakbo kahit medyo maulan. Actually masarap tumakbo kapag medyo maulan kasi hindi siya mainit and malamig yung hangin. So tara! When it comes to running guys, especially dun sa mga beginners pa lang, no, katulad ko, I still consider myself a beginner. Kailangan natin ma-practice yung tinatawag nila na low heart rate running. May isa pang term yun eh, i-google ko na lang, but you could also google it. It's very important kasi that way mas ma-maximize mo yung stamina mo, mas lalakas yung stamina mo and endurance. And also, at the end of the day, running, di naman yan pabilisan, patagalan yan. So yun, medyo lumalakas ng ulan. And medyo tatakbo na tayo. Susundan lang din natin yung sinasabi ko kanina, wherein it has to be very gradual and it has to be consistent on a very low heart rate. Just to give you a background pala guys, I started my fitness journey in April. So I'm on my 3rd month and majority of my fitness workout is boxing. Secondary lang tong run, which is also important. Let's go. Buti na lang maraming puno rito sa UP. So kahit na umuulan or maambon, hindi mo masyado mararamdaman yung patak. Sarap. I'm done on my first lap and yan, hindi na siya ambon, wala na siya. Let's go! One of the perks of running here in UP is napakalaki ng parking nila. Ayan. Hanggang doon sa dulo. So, if you have a car, it's very convenient. Pero dito, hindi ako dito nakapark. Doon sa mas malapit. Walking muna saglit. So, you might be wondering guys, what's the purpose of this channel? Bakit ko ba ginawa itong channel na to? So, mainly for me to be able to show everyone, especially those sa mga super busy na tao dyan, sa mga trabaho nila, sa mga negosyo nila or whatever shit. I wanted to show you guys na pwede, kaya isingit yung fitness kahit gaano kakabisi. That is if gusto mo talaga. So that's the very first thing that you need to ask yourself. Diba? Gusto mo ba? Second, bakit mo gusto? Siyempre, mainly because of fitness. Alam nga naman, gusto mo lang magpagod without any reason at all, diba? So there's always a purpose for that. Just to give you a little bit of a background, guys. I'm also a very busy person, no? I work in a BPO as a team leader. So as you guys know, BPO, most of the shifts sa call center is actually graveyard. So dun pa lang, nakakapag-workout ako kahit after shift, kahit puyat. No excuse. I know mahirap, yes. So na lang yun. Hindi totoo yung hindi ka makakapag-workout after shift mo, kalokohan yun. Basta gusto mo, you'll find a way. Aside from that, I have 2 kids, 2 toddlers, isang 3 and isang 4. Take note, wala kaming yaya ng asawa ko. So, kami lang yung nag-aalaga sa mga anak namin. I'm also a musician. I used to play in a band before pandemic. Pero hanggang ngayon naman, I still create music. So, hobby lang yun. Pero what I'm saying is, marami akong trip sa buhay. Right? Pero, nasisingit ko pa rin yung fitness. We are about to end our 3rd lap. Medyo napahaba yung pahinga ko doon. Okay, so my target for today is 4 na laps lang. Goods na ako doon. 4 na ikot lang. Satisfied na ako doon. Actually ngayon medyo ramdam ko na yung pagod. And it feels so good. That's one of the reason why I run. Yung satisfaction niya after running. Or any kind of workout naman siguro. You'll get that kind of feeling. So, let's go! Highly recommended dito guys kung gusto nyo tumakbo. Maganda yung environment, yung vibe, tsaka yung mismong daan. We're almost there. Whew! At last, we're done. We're done with our 4th and last lap. And may na rin yung ulan. Hindi ko tulad kanina. Sarap. Uy, may nadaanan ako dito guys, oh. Carioca tsaka lumpia. Kaya magkano sa Carioca tsaka lumpia? Magkano? Tigbe 20. Isang isa dito tsaka isang lumpia.
Isang tuge, isang Carioca.
Oo.
Balot pa sa Carioca?
Anda?
Balot pa sa Carioca.
Oo, balot. Ay, hindi, wag na. Kainin ka na yan. Oy, ito na lang yung...
Pili ka na lang dito.
Kahit dyan, pare-pares lang naman yun.
Okay.
Food trip. Palagay na rin ng sukat.
Walay natin suka.
Oo.
Dito na lang
So, hindi, sama mo na. Yun, oh. After mag-jogging, food trip. Mate?
Yan, tingnan mo ha.
Okay na yan. Ito lang naman. Tapos yung Carioca ko, kabayad.
Ito ko na lang.
Good shit! Uy, natanggal. Baltang ko, te. Hindi, sige yan. Mana natin. Hop! Huwag kayo masyadong OA sa mga diet nyo. Ang kailangan nyo i-secure, kailangan consistent kayo sa workout nyo. So yun, we're done for today guys. Nakaapat na ikot tayo sa UP Sunken Garden. And nakadalawang Carioca tsaka isang lumpia. Maulan pa rin till now. Okay lang yun. Again, no excuse. Kung talagang gusto nyo mag-start ng fitness journey nyo, kahit bumabagyo pa yan, you'll find a way how to start. Okay, gano'n kayo baka-busy guys. Kung gusto nyo talaga, pagkakaroon kayo ng paraan. And, again, start prioritizing your health. Start working on your fitness. Kung ano mang trip mo na